land automation. We are see before using Django land automation. We see some of the discussions on before how the file system level, how we can access some of the difficulties at the file system level. After that, we are moving into the database to on the manage the spatial information. After that, we are next level. The data is common for everyone. Here, the file management, we can access the protocol conversion. The FTP file system, we are accessing from HTTP protocol. We get back the result at the spatial files. Suppose I want some of the electoral boundaries, the elections conducted, the boundary information. So get back the results from the spatial side. The two files here, we can get back the result, the assembly constitution, this land cover. The elections is conducted, the winner will be rule the that land cover, that particular land cover conditions. As usually in the assembly also, some of the boundaries, uh, yeah, we can access the spatial files using the spatial boundary conditions. This land cover is indicating, dictating the winner and loser. Similarly, we are seeing this one further. Existing land information. Suppose the land information is there. Based on the spatial attribute table, we can existing function, we get back the result in the existing feature set. What are the future, the land behaviors, the previously we are seeing the record reference, patta government assignment dotted, some of the other specific features as for the attribute table, we can showcase information as a special table. This thing, previously we are seeing some of the use cases. The land cover management team hierarchy, they do the land related operations parallelly, based on the land owner. Uh, the taking the logins based on the existing land information belonging to is under, means the state wise the database of land cover, he has a owner, then get back the database, check from the mandal, village, mandal, district, state wise land cover information, get back the land owner information from their land details from the existing database. These things, and parallelly monitoring, parallelly same services, land cover hierarchy team, manpower is providing the land related operations, VRO, MRO, RDO, what are the hierarchy, they do the land related monitoring updates. Similarly, we can schedule the same tasks, means the peak hours, means week offs, at the night time, some public holidays, we can't expect the services from the manpower. Same thing, we can hand over the services from the software to deliver the land cover related services. It is who are the managing the land cover, the department settle the amount from the in land owner, paying the payment to gateways to settle the amount to the payment gateways. Amount directly reach to the end user, the payment gateway. The payment gateway settle the amount to the land cover department, means the parallelly hierarchy team is doing same services delivering to the farmer. Means sim card is we are taking, but services we can deliver to software, means we are paying the some voice or data calls, we are paying the amount. Similarly, the land cover also we can apply the some services, how we can perform the schedule, all those things we discussed previously. How authentication and authorization to set the land cover information to their logins in on existing database, consent to showcase the information. This authentication and authorization, land automation and scheduling, and this information previously we discussed on uh, previous videos. Automation to schedule the tasks using the machine learning, deep learning, and AI, the training the data set and existing historical data and data warehouse to fetch the data, and we can train the algorithms to optimize the result on what manpower is providing the service. Similarly, we can providing the services using the payment gateway to settle the land related cover information to the end owner. Previously we are seeing protocol conversion. The protocol conversion, this all those things at the file system level, the FTP as a files and folders, we are seeing, we are clicking the particular folder, we can get back the information, the various type of information, what are the information we are seeing, spatial files and other files. Second one is we go for the authentication. This is dashboard. We can special attribute to showcase. Previously, we are saying authentication and authorization to based on the landowner. They're taking a login. Means farmer is taking a login. Get back their land information on existing land cover database to return those information to the landowner. Suppose he want for the agriculture, he required for the particular craft, he is required for the urea and fertilization requirement is needed. Then he settle the amount to the fit request. The next time information it will sort out how much urea required, some of the urea, some other fertilization required for the particular interstate wise consideration, how much land land utilizing the particular category of fertilizations is required. Next time it will be increase the production for the delivering the quantities where is required. Land automation schedule and tasks can perform the settle. Here we are see now we are discussion agriculture application particular craft time, how much agriculture related activities it will perform. This is one agriculture related investment, means at the time of starting to ending how much the process of I taking two samples. One is the patti, second one is uh, some of the groundnuts and some of the other calculations. I'm taking a journey starting to ending, how much in the cost effects will be involved in the particular the craft period starting to ending. This is for the Pesara, we are taking a, some of the agriculture applications. At the payment where we are seeds, it will be take 1040 rupees for the calculation. The tractors, all those things, it will be around 7,000 rupees. It will be the paying to the missionaries tractors, the tractor type of on the agriculture related activities we can settle. Second one is second largest payment is fertilization missionary. Second one is fertilization is a 34 percentage entire investment. We are settled to the fertilization means 7,000 something. Here the power consumption, not power, the manpower consumption. At the time of agriculture activities, we need to pay the amount to the manpower, who is ready to work for the labor activities. Means some of the craft cutting is required and the manpower is required. Some of the agriculture related, we need to take the bags and we need to hand over to tractor. Some such a type of things we need to approach the manpower as the around third largest, the 24 occupancy of payment it will be taken. These are the round figure, the totals and the two four activities, missionaries, fertilizations, manpower, and seeds. But here the power is not consumption because this is depending on the rainy season. Based on the weather support, then only this craft will be involved. Total the 20 to 24 thousand rupees. It will be we need to at the 4 months of 4 to 5 months of duration. We need to expand the amount. After that, we are selling end result of generated craft. We are sell to the uh, who is consumer. We need to sell to consumer. Finally, it will be as for the market rate. It will be is the finally in the agriculture related application, the farmer will be loser or winner. I see the majority of data cases I see in loss making time means the investment. It's investment sometimes generated craft. It not the profitable means in the loss making type of data I observed before. This is Pesara and some of the other craft. I see some one more. This is I go for the one more use case. Here the patti. So one more the cloth again the raw material the patti. Here how much the expenditure it will be. Expenditures will be happen here. The fertilizations around 7,650 rupees expenditures will be happen for the fertilization. After that, second data case here the machinery 4,000 means the tractor it cultivate the means the tractor requirement tiller cultivator based on the necessity of the craft it will be do for the activity. What are the factors for the machinery cost will be charged? It will be fuel cost is depending on the chain of mechanism to increase the process. Second, third one is the manpower. The middle of time, some of the manpower to clear the existing craft manpower support is required in that time 1700 rupees it will be the charge for this the manpower requirement 495 rupees of the power consumption uh, for agriculture the period of time the craft is involving we are the paying to the power distributors paying to them as a power and other maintenance the some of the power requirement for the agriculture application need for the pumping the water to the land some of the repairs for the motor means some wiring problems some of the uh, irrigation related activities it will be the part of the maintenance everything is the properly the run properly the cost is um, as a normal cost something it will be unexpected it will be the parameter of the investment will be varies on agriculture application and this is for the land automation use case for the agriculture application. I'm giving conclusion for the agriculture related activities for them how we can take over um, now some of the data we can fetch from the existing providers means based on the land cover how much the beneficiary support from the government side some other support we can directly add the plugins for the concerned activities means and the based on authentication is taking a the benefit means subsidy will be benefited based on his land cover in a particular time period how much is benefited added on the their time log then it will be fetch back is really result is correct or not such activities it will monitor fine I'm giving a land automation using the agriculture application the many more application uh, telecom and fertilizations and uh, earthquake related means zones wise, we can observe how much the structures will be damaged on land cover. Crime spots means some of the particular land cover, and then some of the crimes will happen. The reason behind this one, this type of analysis, we can train the model using machine learning, deep learning AI. We can conclude those things. Fine, I'm giving a conclusion.